7th Samachin Maths, exercise 3.2, fill in the blanks. First sum. The addition of minus 7b and 2b is. So here b and b are the variables. If the variables are same, you can add the numbers. So these are known as like terms. So only like terms can be added or subtracted. Okay. So for addition and subtraction, the terms must be like terms. Like terms means it must have the same variable. So minus 7b and plus 2b. So minus 7 plus 2, it is equal to, we will subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So minus 5. So your answer is minus 5b. Write the variable as it is. The subtraction of 5m from minus 3m. So minus 3m you have to subtract. So minus 3m minus 5m, that is you are subtracting. So from that only has to be written first in all of you. So minus 3m minus 5m, both are negative means you will add up and put the negative sign. So it is minus 8m. So your value is minus 8m. The additive inverse of minus 37xy is additive inverse means if it is a negative number you will put a positive number. If it is a positive number you will put a negative number. So here minus 37xyz is plus 37xyz. So additive inverse means positive means negative, negative means positive. The expressions 8x, here true or false. Expressions 8x plus 3y and 7x plus 2y cannot be added. It can be added because you have like terms here, 7x and 8x, here 3y and 2y. So 8x will be added with 7x and 3y will be added with 2y. So it is false. It is given cannot be added. It can be added, so the given statement is false. If x is a natural number, then x plus 1 is its predecessor. X predecessor means previous number. X minus 1 will be the predecessor. So here it is x plus 1. So this is also false. Predecessor means previous number. Sum of a minus b plus c and minus a plus b minus c is 0. See here a and a minus a will give you 0. B minus b will give you and c minus c will give you 0. Is equal to 0, 0, 0. So a minus a, b minus b, c minus c. So your answer is 0. So it is true. Next, add. Here I told you already, add means only like terms can be added. Here x term, x term. So if you add means 8x plus 3x is equal to 11x. So you are adding 8 and 3 means 8 plus 3 will give you 11. Write the x term as it is. Now adding 7m n plus 5mn. 7 plus 5 is 12. So your answer is 12mn. Here you have three terms, minus 9y, 11y, 2y. So you can add all the three together, plus 11y plus 2y. So your adding means 11 plus 2 is, add the positive and then you can subtract with the negative. So 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 minus 9 will give you 4y. So 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 minus 9. So it is 4. Put the variable as it is. Subtract 4k from 12k. So you are subtracting from 12k. So 12k has to be written first. 12k minus 4k, it is equal to, 12 minus 4 is 8k. Subtract 4k from 12k. So subtracting 4k plus 12k means 12k minus 4k is equal to 8k. 15q from 25q. So 25 has to be written first. So 25q minus 15q, it is equal to 10q. Next is 7xyz from 17xyz. So this has to be from the value which is after from only has to be written first. 17xyz minus 7xyz. So 17 minus 7 will give you what? 10. 10xyz. Write the variable as it is. Okay. Next, find the sum. Here you have to add all the values. Here you have p and q. So you will add the p values together and then you will add the q values together. So for all these sums, if you have three expressions, this is single comma, it is separated by a commas. So you have 1, 2, 3, 3 expressions. So when you have 3 expressions, you can write in one below the other so that it will be easy for you to add up. So 7p plus 6q, right below qp itself. So 5p minus q Then you have q here, means write q first below that. Next 16p. So p terms have to be written one below the other, q terms together. So you don't have any number, means it is 1. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 16 is 28p. Now this is also 1. So this both gets cancelled. 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So you have only 6q. So your answer is 28p plus 6q. Next, you have the next sum. Here also you have 3 variables, a, b and c. So write one below the other so that it will be easy for you. So a plus 5b minus 7c. Next is 2a plus 10b plus 9c. So add means as it is you can write, no problem. Write the variables which are like terms, that is a means below a you have to write. So no number means put 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3a plus 5 plus 10 is 15b. 9 minus 7 is 2 plus 2c. So this is your answer, 9 minus 7. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Next is mn plus t, 2mn minus 2t minus 3t plus 3mn. So here write one below the other. mn plus t, 2mn minus 2t plus t means 1. Next is 3mn minus 3t. Okay, see that you put the sign correctly when you are writing. If it is given alternate method also, see that mn is written one below the other. So here no number 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6mn. Here 1, both are negative. 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 5, 1 minus 5. Subtract means minus 4. 1 minus 5 will give you minus 4, that is subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Ordinary subtraction as you do, you can do. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Here you have bigger number to be minus, so you put the minus sign. So minus 4t is your answer. Okay, next u plus v, u minus v, 2u plus 5v, 2u minus 5v. So 1, 1, here also 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6u. 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. So you have only u term. Both of this gets cancelled. So 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. So your answer is only 6u. Next is 5 xyz minus 3xy. Same way 3xyz. So z is being interchanged. So you can, it's anyways xyz only, minus 5xy. So you can add up. So if you add means you will get 5 plus 3 is 8xyz. Both are negative, add and put the negative sign. When both are negative, you will add and put the negative sign. So I am adding both means you will get minus 8xy. Next here subtract. Subtract means you know which has to be written first. So this full expression has to be written first. So you will write 27x plus 5y minus 43. Next is 13x plus 12y minus 5. So subtract means what you have to do here is, if it is positive, we will change it as negative. No sign means it is positive. So I am changing it as negative. Here this is positive, I will change it as negative. Here it is negative, I will change it as positive. That is subtract means, remember, second expression from after, the expression which is after from has to be written first. Write the next term. So subtract means you will get 27 minus 13 will. So because of subtraction, you are changing the sign. Plus means negative, positive. Plus means it is, no sign means it is positive. So if it is given as plus means you will change it as negative. So I have changed it as negative. Here negative means I am changing it as positive. So now you subtract 27 minus 13 is 14x. Same way subtract 5 minus 12. So 12 minus 5 will give you 7. Bigger sign is minus. Bigger number is having the negative sign. So minus 7y. Here minus 43 plus 5. So minus 43 plus 5 means, subtract means you will get minus 38. 43 minus 5 will give you 38. Bigger number is negative, so minus 38. So this is your answer. Next sum, which is given after from only, you will be writing first, I told you, 2q plus 7. Write the like terms one below the other. So 3p means 3p plus 5. Constant I will write below the constant. So no term means plus 0q you can put. So I told you have to change the sign. plus here it is negative, you will change negative, here also negative. So this is no number means 1. So 1 minus 3 will give you minus 2p. So 2 minus 0, so minus 2q. 7 minus 5 will give you plus 2. You know 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Next sum, m plus n from 3m minus, so that has to be written on the top, 3m minus 7n. So now number is, it is negative 1, so I am writing 1n. So no number 1. So change the sign because it is subtract. So 3 minus 1 will give you 2m, minus both are negative, so add sum, minus 7 minus 1, so it is minus 8 because it is both are negative, adding with the negative sign, so minus 8n. This is your answer. Next sum, from we write first, so 8 is 6 is z minus 5y. Now here it is z plus 2y. Change, write the values one below the other. So this is positive, so I will change it as negative. No number means it is 1. Here also it is positive, I will change it as negative, so minus. Here 6 minus 1 is 5 is z, both are negative, subtract and put the negative sign. Sorry, both are negative means add both the values and put the negative sign. Minus 5 minus 2 will give you minus 7y. So 5 is z minus 7y. Okay, so here is negative, I changed as negative, both are negative means add and put the negative sign. Now see the objectives. Now we can see the objectives. The addition of 3m minus 5m mn plus 8mn and minus 4mn is, so 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 minus, both are negative, add and put the negative sign. So minus 9. So 11 minus 9 is 2. So your answer is 11 to m. When we subtract a from minus a, we will get 0. So a minus a will give you 0. In an expression, you can add or subtract only the like terms. Only the like terms can be added and subtracted. So I think all are able to follow. So when two values are positive, you will add and put the positive sign. When two values are negative, you will add and put the negative sign. So one is positive and one is negative means always subtract and put the sign of the greater number. This concept, if you remember, it will be easy for you.